I'm trying to tell you till you're real, and this is really how I feel. I'm trying to tell it till you're real, and if you know that's how I feel, yeah. So let me tell it till you're real, cause this is really how I feel. So let me tell it till you're real, cause this is really how I feel. Should I keep going, or should I change profession? Sometimes I feel like quitting, even when I'm progressing. But this is what I do, don't really have suggestion. It's either do this music, or work at some concession. See, I don't go to college, cause I'm against the system. My city's taught enough, so I carry the wisdom. Say it when it's written, who cares if it's forbidden? It's time to break these walls, forget stupid restrictions. So start to tell the truth, scared of my conviction. Don't be afraid of death, Jesus did his crucifixion, so keep walking right. You're surrounded by angels everywhere you go. Make sure you tell your fable before you sign those lines with those satanic labels. The word is more sweet, rich like organic maple. Let's try to reunite, not fight like Cain and Abel. Break free from evil shackles and stay far from joking rascals, cause your life cannot be shameful. Life cannot be shameful. Your life cannot be shameful. Love. Trying to tell it to you, confused. People trying to lead you so confused. And nowadays nobody knows who they are. No. But you just gotta find yourself and don't believe no one else. And keep on